Yeah, you can hang it up somewhere.
We'll put it in the back glass of the truck.
Yeah. Hang it down at the road. 4x4, hang it. You know, let it hang from it. Yeah.
Bolt it right there.
Yeah.
Truck run?
Yeah. I gotta go get some gas in it. Go back, finish up. But where'd Dyer go?
Right here we've got to turn these tires around. For whatever reason, Daddy wanted it on the opposite way, but now we're starting to rub.
Well, Daddy had turned around the other way because he wanted to save the tread. He saw where if you did that, you get longer life.
This one's kind of sitting out on the top, so it's rubbing the outside, so we're going to swap them around. Let's see if this can do it.
You want to put a block on
Yeah,
it?
it might need a block because I don't think it's going to go up that high.
As far as I can go.
Oh, I just been with the jack. Oh.
There's a little knot back there. Something's happening.
Yeah.
You got it parked?
Yes.
That one's off the ground. Jack's
That was trying.
Jack's wanting to come this way on us. See how it's wanting to go forward. I'm afraid it's going to slip out underneath. The block's getting crooked. See?
Yep, it's getting crooked now.
Put that back down.
It's almost off the ground. Good.
Get it off?
Yeah, but it keeps, the further you go up, the more it leans down that right side.
Because
Yeah. Could be clear enough.
maybe. Yeah.
We have any jack stands?
Yeah.
It would probably be best if we got those. You guessed right on the first one?
Reach in there and grab one.
Just that years of experience.
Yeah. That ain't true. You didn't get the foggiest idea what I'm doing. But I know to use scroll. Shoot this side. Alright, I guess he's alive back there somewhere.
Yeah, I hope so.
I hadn't heard a chainsaw going. Have you heard any?
No, not since I've been here.
I'm not sure what he's doing. He's back there talking. You know, I bet what's his name? Junior's well. Dalton.
Oh, yeah, probably so.
I don't know, it's kind of cold. Alright, let's see what's going to happen here. Throw the freight up. You can handle. I don't want to do it. It's going to break it. You can drive, it's going to break it.
Yeah.
You keep on doing it, I'm going to line up better. Use it over here.
Yep. It broke it. The next one it broke.
Yeah, I knew it was right. Everything was bent over.
That was loose already. That's the last one I was working on. I gave one pop on it.
Probably that far.
Yep. Yep. Good.
Got somewhere to put these?
Mm-hmm. In my hand.
No pressure on it.
It's not moving, it's on the ground. Well, I guess not.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, I thought was going to happen. Stop it in. Yeah, it's on that jack good. Alright. We have to do that side first because we're going to let it down to kick this side up. Because it just dropped when you took that off.
Did it?
Yeah, and it sat on the jack. Yeah, so we need to go ahead and put that tire on the other side.
Spin it. Right there. One more spin toward me. Right there. Pick up a little bit and go forward. Toward me. Right, oh, right there. Toward right there. Pick it up and go. Pick it up. There it is. Always inopportune time. That's good. You can go with the impact and spray. So it's faster. Hello?
When I meter it, you know, with all the 6 strands, they all get 5.8 and 6.1 coming out. But on the end, I can walk over to the very end one. Like the top one, I get like, I don't know, 5.3. The next one, I get like 0.8. And then 4.4, 4.4, 0.7, 0.6.
There you go.
That tells me the power's not carrying through at one of my sections somewhere, most likely.
Well, it depends on how you tied all the strands together, too. I saw a little shady. I saw a little shady way you tied them all together.
Yeah. I did it at the front end.
I saw
it at each section.
I saw where you did it.
Yeah,
just twisted
the front end. But
you just twisted the wires around it?
Yeah.
No, you can't do it that way.
What I gotta do?
You gotta unbraid the tips of them.
You gotta do what?
You can't just wrap the wire around it.
You're gonna have a lot of fun now.
Oh God. What do you mean you gotta unbraid? You gotta put metal. I'll put some copper on that thing. I don't care.
What I'm saying is, each one of those turbos has 6 stainless wires. No, 9 stainless wires. On the tips, you got to pull those 9 stainless wires away from the cloth.
Okay.
Cut the cloth away, and you have about 2 inches of that 9 stainless steel wires.
Yeah.
And then you connect each one of you do that to every strand, and you twist those together.
Right. Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
So I only have to do. I gotta do that at where my section is, huh?
Yeah, from wherever your feeder comes to your top one and to your next one to your next one. But you can just go from I mean, you'll figure it out.
I can go from one strand
to the next.
To the same strand that just, you know what I'm saying, just loop over.
You can go from the strand you just did, or you can go from the strand you used to do that one. Either one.
Yeah. All right. Can I just use copper?
Why would you do? I don't understand what good. We don't understand what you're doing. Oh, you're talking about to make your splices?
Yeah. Can I just jump it with copper, straight copper?
Probably, or you could come over here and get some of this aluminum wire, Daddy's.
Yeah. That might be the easiest thing to do. And unbraid.
And tell you what I do. I do what you did with Daddy's aluminum wire. I just wrap it around it real tight each cloth. And that might be, it's going to be better conductor than what you did.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's going to work. The ideal way they show you to do it is to unbraid the tips and twist just all the metals together.
I got you. At each thing, at each string, it's got to be metal wrapping around it, I guess. Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's what conducts it. The cloth don't conduct it.
I remember that.
Well, I mean, you act like you did. You was going to wrap cloth around cloth and then wonder why it ain't working.
It's still touching metal at some point, you know, but it ain't good. I'm thinking about getting some 12 conductor. I mean, some 12 gauge copper and wrapping that copper around there.
Hey, try it. See what happens. It ain't going to hurt anything.
I mean, it's a conductor of electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is conductive. This is more conductive to the dang aluminum. I mean, the metal.
Yeah.
So, all right.
You know what you remind me of? One of them guys we're out there doing some work for, and they're telling me how to do the work for them. I think we got it. We're done the other side?
Yeah.
Ready to go now?
Yep. Is there a leak over there?
Huh?
Pick up a
That's
leak?
just the water out of this board, I think.
Oh, okay.
Just squished it out of it.
Oh,
And the water that was under there when I sprayed.
yeah, that's right.
Oh, hopefully that's the only thing that came. Yeah, this water. Yeah. I think it was in this wood.
You got them swapped. Back to the right way.